Ever wondered what powers your Galaxy's intelligence? Samsung's AI manages over 3 trillion interactions every day. Yes, trillion. That's the mind behind One UI 8, a software overhaul that redefines how your phone understands and adapts to you. It's a smarter, Let's talk lock screens. One UI 8 transforms it into something dynamic. The adaptive clock is no static widget. It shifts its look based on the time and your notifications. In the morning, it's bold and punchy. By night, it eases into a softer, calmer display. It's like your phone adjusts its mood with yours, subtly reflecting your routine. Samsung didn't just refresh the UI, they obsessed over it. The redesigned Quick Panel is now fluid and futuristic. Think clean, glassy edges with animations that glide like silk. Pull it down and feel the refinement, its elegance and engineering fused together in motion. Photos. One UI 8's got serious AI swagger. Open the gallery and Galaxy AI steps in to enhance your shots effortlessly. Each one gets a signature watermark proving its AI pedigree. It's trained on hundreds of millions of photos, no wonder it's so accurate. Big screen fans, you're in for a treat. Cleaning up sound with impressive precision that hits 90% accuracy in tests. Making calls just got a major upgrade. One UI 8 brings real-time captions that display live text as you speak, ideal for noisy cafes or for those with hearing challenges. And the new 90-10 split mode, game changer. Pin a tool to a narrow space while your main app runs full-size, perfect for creators juggling multiple workflows. Let's talk about that new taskbar. It doesn't just sit there. Whether you let it float or keep it fixed, its behavior adapts to how you use your device. Every animation can be manually adjusted. From bounce effects to transparency tweaks, it's built for people who want their tech to feel uniquely theirs. Customization just hit a creative peak. With Home Up, you can tweak animation speed, go lightning fast, or slow it down like a movie fade. Want a cleaner home screen? Ditch the page dots. This isn't just personalization, it's about making your phone feel like you. Even the tiniest touches got love. Gesture vibration controls let you adjust how your phone reacts to swipes and taps. Foldable users can fine-tune taskbar sensitivity for seamless control. It's those micro details that give One UI 8 a tactile personality. It's not just responsive, it's alive in your hands. Now Brief takes on the role of your personal AI assistant. It reads out essential updates from your calendar to weather and even curated YouTube content. With 8.0’s daily uses, it's evolving fast. Now it integrates with Samsung Health too, so it reminds you to hit fitness goals or team up in wellness challenges. Under the hood, One UI 8 is a powerhouse. Even the beta version on mid-tier phones like the S3 scores strong with Geekbench benchmarks. Battery optimization has also seen big gains, with Samsung testing it across 15 million devices. The result? Smooth, fast, and power-efficient, built to last. Circle August on your calendar. One UI 8 officially rolls out starting July 25, 2025. The S25 series leads the charge, followed by S24 and foldables. As series phones like the A55 will join later in Q4, Samsung's future-proofing your phone like never before, ready to level up.